This video will walk you through your Jobs Portal profile page. To get to your profile page, navigate to the gray bar at the top of your screen and click or hover on your name to open a drop-down where you can select My Profile. The My Profile page has two main sections, Account Information and Files, which can be selected at the top of the screen. Let's start by reviewing Account Information. If you're using the Jobs Portal as part of an employment service, your caseworker likely used the information you provided during intake to set up your account profile already, so your personal information should already be here. But there may be information missing, or things you'd like to change, which you can do here. You can change your email and password by clicking the edit icons next to these fields. Remember that if you update this email and password, you'll need to remember it the next time you log in. If you're working with a caseworker, be sure to let them know that your preferred email is changing. On this page, you can edit any of the personal information associated with your account, including your names and preferred name, pronouns, birth date, sex, phone number, education level, and note whether you identify as any of the listed groups. Towards the bottom of the page, you can include and update details about your current work status and previous work experience. By clicking in any of these fields, you can browse through a list of occupations by knock code or search for one. You can also note which occupation you are targeting. This information will help the system make better recommendations for you. At the very bottom of the screen, you can decide whether or not you want to receive updates to your jobs feed as notifications in your email, and how often you'd like to see these emails. Remember to click Save if you want to keep the changes you made on this page. By clicking on the Files tab at the top of the My Profile page, you can view, upload, and download any important files, including documents in various formats like Microsoft Word files and PDFs, as well as images like JPEGs and PNGs. If you're working with a caseworker, they can also upload, download, and view the files in your profile. This is a great way to share resumes, cover letters, pay stubs, and other important documents with your service provider.